National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beloit, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Milton, Delavon Lake, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Delavon, Richmond, LaGrange, Tiffany, Chaupier, Millard, Avalon, Johnstown Center, Tibbetts, Emerald Grove and Troy Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.